Hey there, traders and investors. Welcome to the inaugural video of How's the Chart, the go-to place for in-depth chart analysis and market insights. I am PG and I'm thrilled to kick off this journey with you. If you're new to How's the Chart, now's the perfect moment to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Subscribing is like powering up this channel and ensures you never miss out on the latest videos. In today's video, we have got an exciting chart to dissect, exploring key trends and potential opportunities. But remember, I'm not a registered financial advisor or a certified expert by SEBI, just a passionate trader sharing insights and knowledge. So grab your favorite trading beverages and buckle up and let's see how's the chart. So the chart today that we have in front of us is the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty on a daily chart has created an inverted cup and handle pattern. It started on 1st of December and the base of this cup and handle pattern is 44,500 level. So from 1st of December, it went from 44,500 till 40,630, 636.45 to be exact. It went till there. It then came down and took a support again on 44,500. Then it again went up till 46,890 level to be exact, and then it came down again, took a support from 44,500. So the upper resistance of the cup is 48,600 and the upper resistance of the handle is 46,900. So after taking a support from 44,500, which is the base of the cup and handle, it went up and it went till 47,000. It did broke the upper resistance of the handle, which is 46,900. It went till 47,300 and 63 to be exact, and it came down again, and right now it closed today at 46,588. So what it did is that it did broke the resistance of the handle, and it is supposed to test the upper resistance of the cup pattern, which is 48,600 level, but it did not went till that. The reason being that I believe it's right now we are nearing expiry, and because of this expiry, it is trading in a channel of 46,000 to 47,000. If you see, it went till 47,000, somewhere around 47,300 levels, and it came back and again took a support from 46,000. So this would be the channel that it will trade in during the February expiry. I don't see it's going beyond 47,000, maybe till 47,200 in during the day tomorrow during the trade, but it or below 46,000 for 100 to 100 point, but it will definitely expire in this channel 47,000 to 46,000. Maybe on the upper resistance we can stretch till 47 to 7,200, but not beyond that. Now after the expiry, there is a huge possibility that it will directly test the upper resistance, that is 48,600. It will test that level and it will break that level as well. Now why I'm saying this is that if you go back, it has created a similar pattern during the month of June to September, where the inverted cup and handle pattern base was 43,500. It went till 46,400 level, which is the upper resistance of the cup, and then came back, took a support from the base 43,500, again went up till 45,000 that is the upper resistance of the handle. It came down. It did not came down till 43,500, but it took a support from 43,800 levels, and it went up. It broke the resistance, and it went up and tested the higher upper resistance of the cup, where it created a double top, you can say, on the same level around 46,300 400 level. It came down. It again took a support on 43,500 level. It tested the bottom twice. So why did this is because it was supposed to do it during the inverted cup and handle formation. It was supposed to come till 43,500, but it did not. So that's why it tested that bottom again. So this is a double top and a double bottom as well. It broke the double bottom. It went till 42,000, which is a very long-term support for BankNifty. It tested that support and it went up. And it went up from there till 48,000, which is now the higher end of the cup, which is the higher resistance of the cup. So what I believe is that after the expiry, BankNifty will test 40,600 level, and it will go beyond 40,600 level till 50,000 at least. 50,000, it might take a small break, may trade within that channel for some time, and then it will break 50,000 as well. Why I'm saying this? Because 50,000 is a psychological level. It might take some time around that, but definitely I don't see BankNifty struggling for the next month. I believe it will break 40,000. Definitely it will test, it will break 40,600 level, and it will go beyond 40,600 level. Another thing that you need to notice here is that when during last time when it actually broke the resistance of the handle, from there it went till 6,370, which is around 1,300 to 1,300 some points, 338 point to be exact. From there it tested the bottom and it went down. It also went down around 1,300 points as well, where it tested the bottom, which is a long-term support, and from there it went up. So here it's also 1,300 points, here also it's 1,300 points. So I believe from here at least it will go beyond 40,000 and test the 50,000 level. And also if you see, Nifty is performing quite well, and in the last few weeks it made the lifetime high. It is maintaining that range, that 100 to 200 point range. On the other hand, BankNifty is not performing, it's underperforming. It's not trading in that, it is way below on that lifetime high channel, and that is because of the RBI meeting that we had recently, and where the monetary policy meeting, where they did not reduced, but they did not also infuse liquidity. That was the main problem. So the market was expecting additional liquidity for the banks. Now, since there was no liquidity infused, that's why the market took it negative, and that's why the bank Nifty from that range it went down, and it went down as till 44,500. I believe whatever that monetary policy last time we had, market has digested that. It's just because of this expiry it is trading in this channel, and once we cross this channel, I'm quite sure it will go up and test the higher level and up till 50,000 level. Another thing is that market, whenever you see a gap, opening gap in a market, whether it's a positive side or the negative side, market will always come up to fill up that gap. On 1st of December, it created a gap up opening. It went, it's a huge gap. Then again, there was a gap up opening as well on the next day. But see, every time this gap up has been created, the market, like the index came down to fill up that gap. Right? It came down to fill up that gap. So whenever you see a gap up or a gap down, always remember, if gap up is the one that has been created first in the chart, the market will always come down to fill up that gap. It will, and take a support from that day's base, and it will went up, go up again. That's how it will work. Gaps on a longer run would definitely be filled up. So let's see tomorrow how market behaves. As I said, from my point of view, it's around 46,000 and 47,000 level. It will not go beyond that. But remember, I'm not a SEBI registered broker, not a trained expert. This is my experience. Based on my experience, I have done this analysis. Whatever I have knowledge, whatever the limited knowledge I have shared it with you guys. Do not take position based on this analysis. This is just for information purpose. I have just created this channel to share my knowledge, whatever I know, and you can have my analysis as a part of your analysis. You might check multiple people analysis. Based on that, you will trade, or you will take a position. You can have my analysis as a part of it, but don't go based on my analysis. This is just for informational and educational purpose. I hope that you have liked what I have shared. Let me know in the comments if I missed something or if I said something wrong somewhere. As I said, I'm not a trained professional. This is my experience that I've gathered in the last 10 years and I've shared with you guys. Chart is always going to give you proper market signals. If you actually see charts properly, you would be able to guess it where the market will go. Yes, there are some times when you have news, negative or positive, that then for the shorter span, the market will not follow the charts. But normally market always behave based on charts. Thank you again. I'll request you to please subscribe to my channel. It will really help me to grow the channel and inspire me to make some more videos. I'm planning to make more videos on different candlestick pattern, which would be updated shortly on the channel. And let me know if you want to know anything specific. I might not be able to make daily trend analysis video at this point of time, but I'll try to do that.